Hi, once again, welcome to my channel where we dissect forex trading, everything profits and losses. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about 6 common mistakes that forex traders make that keeps them broke. Are you a forex trader and you're tired of blowing your accounts? You chase signals, you watch YouTube videos, and you even study charts, but at the end of the day, your account ends up at zero. Do you want to hear the truth? Bro, it is not the market, it is you. You see those common mistakes that you keep repeating silently. That is what is keeping you broke. But not to worry, today I'm here to expose these mistakes. If you are ready, let's do this. Number 1 is trading without a plan. If you are that kind of trader that normally enters a trade because you feel the candle looks good, or probably someone somewhere said you should buy now, bro, you are not trading, you are gambling. Because every professional trader has a strategy, an exit plan, and an entry plan. Without this, you are probably looking out for failure. It's only going to take little time before it ends up at failure. Now that's one. Number two is chasing losses. Are you that kind of trader that after one bad trade you jump back into another trade just to get your money back? Bro, you are no longer in the market, you are now in your feelings. Can I tell you what? Trading emotionally is one of the fastest ways to remain broke. Now this is it. If you are angry, do not trade. If you are overconfident, do not trade. Number 3 is risking too much. Are you that kind of trader that believes that if you risk more, you grow faster? You're very wrong. Because you see that 50% risk trade that you're about to take that you think will save your account might end up blowing your entire account. Now this is it. Every professional trader do not risk more than 3% per trade, sometimes even 2% per each trade. Number 4 is chasing signals. A lot of us are addicted to signals. Most time we are not even sure why we are in a particular trade, but that's dangerous. Yeah, very dangerous, because the person feeding you with these signals, what if the person disappears? That means your money disappears too, and that is an easy way for a forex trader to stay broke. Number 5 is changing strategies every week. Are you that kind of trader that change your strategy every week? This week you are using price actions. The week after this week you are using indicators. The week after that week you are using EA robots. The week after that week too, you are probably using some new strategy that you learned from Telegram, and you're wondering why you're not consistent. Come here, bro, let me tell you this. As a forex trader, you need to be able to stick to one particular strategy, practice it over time, then master it before you can get results. Now this is it. The problem is not the strategy. The problem is your patience. You are not patient enough to wait for the strategy to work for you. Then number 6 is ignoring trading psychology. Yes, you have the tool, you have the setup, but your mindset is broken. You are greedy, you are impatient, you probably doubt yourself after one bad trade now, and you're wondering why you are not consistent, why you're not getting results. Bro, you need to fix your mindset first before you can face the market. So finally, not investing in mentorship. You see, forex is a skill. Just like every other skill, it requires guidance. YouTube can help, but you cannot hold YouTube accountable. Yes, if you have been stuck in losses for months or years, this is the time that you need to invest in structured and tailored mentorship, not free information. This is the time you should not be looking for free information. You should be looking for tailored and structured mentorship program that can help you. Well, if you are ready to grow, join my mentorship program. The link is below. But before I go here, let me drop this. Most forex traders do not fail because of the market. They fail because of the repeated mistakes that they make. Now, if you have come across this video, it is not too late. Recognize the mistakes, fix it, and change your results. If you are tired of blowing your account, drop a comment, no more blowing accounts. Or drop a comment, no more mistakes, if you're tired of blowing your account. Until we meet again, peace out.